Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's stoke the cardio inferno with Chariots of Fire on the path of least resistance.
Loop one of your straps around your waist. Pull the hardware of that leash through its own handle so it cinches up right behind your spine. Then have your training partner clip the second leash to the one around your waist and pull snug from the back handle. Decide together on a sprint distance, about 50 yards or so, using existing landmarks. When you're both ready, explode forward like a stallion in Ben-Hur as your training partner enjoys the chariot ride behind you. If you are in the chariot position, create moderate tension on your partner but still allow them to move forward. We want to create resistance that moves forward with the stallion. Work this exercise in short bursts. Take time to catch your breath and be sure to stay hydrated. Check your equipment before every workout. Take turns pulling the chariot and always leave the Coliseum nicer than you found it.
Let your heart rate soar like a gladiator with Chariots of Fire on the path of least resistance.